In this video, I'm going to demonstrate using the nickname plugin by Rexroy Rainbow. When I was developing a game where I wanted to make a level editor, I realized that it was really stupid to have to create all these loops. So I'm looking at another example right now that I got off the forum somewhere, which was how to use some other plugin. But as you can see here, all the touch events are pretty much repeated for every type of object that this guy wanted to put in his level editor. In my level editor, in the example that I just made, it's very simple. Each of these is a member of the family items. Items has a few behaviors. Nickname, which is in SID mode, which means I don't have to actually specify the nickname. SID is a unique number for each object type. Drag drop, so I can create new instances of each object. And physics you can just ignore, I didn't even implement it yet. But so the real simple version of this is, in the event sheet, we only have one action that lets us create new versions, new instances of each object when you click on them and drag them. So let's go to an example here. Right, I'm running this. Now, if I click and drag on this, it's going to create an instance of each object and have the correct object type. You can you can add more complicated instance variables and stuff to prevent these from acting like source objects. So you can essentially turn on and off the ability for them to be, the palette to add tiles to your game, for instance. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple. Make sure you get both the behavior and the object, because the plugin, because you want to have it here so that you can see it in the events, right? So nickname events, and you also want to be able to assign it as a behavior to families. And that's it. If you want, I might create another video where we transfer certain attributes of the same items. In my level editor, for instance, I had different size boxes that when you drag them, even though they were the same object, they would transfer their size and orientation and stuff like that.